Hi, I'm Mark Sears. I'm an actor, and I got my hairline done with Vinci Hair Clinic. So I had a bit of a widow's peak, so it was prominent in the middle, but it was receding up the sides there, and this really limited the amount of sort of hairstyles I could have. You could cover it over, and I did a good job. I used to sort of comb it over to the side. I had like a quiff hairstyle, but it kind of limited me to the hairstyles I could have, and if I would go swimming I would be a little bit wary of where my hair was going because of the hairline. And however, now my hair it's nice and versatile for different roles. I can move it around, and now I'm a lot more free to do the roles I want to do, a lot more versatility as an actor. It's really helped a hell of a lot. Vinci have been there for me, and literally very, very happy with the job that they've done.